Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use vertical response. Vertical response is a highly rated email marketing platform that is perfect for beginners or businesses of any size that would like to start doing some email marketing. The first thing you want to do is go onto verticalresponse.com. Once on the dashboard, you can simply tap on sign up and you'll be able to sign up for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. All you'll need is your email address and create a password. After you're signed up, you're going to tap right where you see no thanks, let me explore the app. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you can start adding your contacts. If you would like to add a single contact, you can do that by simply putting in their name and email address right here. After you're finished, you could simply tap on save and that's it. If it is a case that you would like to upload multiple emails, you could tap on multiple emails and you can simply copy and paste the multiple email addresses. Now, there are numerous options when it comes onto your email marketing campaign. But let's say the first thing that we like to do on vertical response is create a sign up form. You can tap on create sign up form right here. After you have done that, you have two options. You can use their hosted sign up form, which will mean that vertical response as a platform will host your sign up form, or you can use embeddable HTML form. This simply means that you'll be able to create or design the sign up form on vertical response, and then you could upload it or better yet embed it on your own website. So I will be using the second option. So the first thing you will need to do right here, you could enter the list name. So I'll simply call this list test. Then I'm going to tap on embeddable HTML form. So let me do that real quick. So let me make up a new name. Then I'll tap on select right here. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can see how the form looks right there. It is quite basic. Now, if you would like to add other stuff, let's say you would like to collect the person's first name, you can do that right there. And also, if you would like to include on the sign up form website, or if you would like to include address, you can simply tap on address 1 right there. And you can scroll down and you can see the different fields that you can add right here. So if you would like to also ask for their postal code and you want to add a GDPR consent, you can do that. Now, if you would like to move anything, so let's say you would like to move the website above email address, you could do that by simply tapping on the arrow beside it, as you can see right there. Now, once everything is to your liking, you can see how it looks. Then you're going to simply tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, you can see customize your opt-in email. So you can scroll down and you can see right there your from name. Then you can see the from address right there. Once everything is okay, you'll tap on launch and sign up form right here in the bottom right hand corner. Then all you'll need to do is simply copy the HTML code. Let's say I were to put it on my Google site website. I'll simply go into Google Sites. Then from there, I'll tap on embed and I'm going to select embed code and I'm going to paste in the code right here. Then tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will normally see a preview. So let me let the preview load up a bit. Then you're going to tap on insert. After you have tapped on insert, you can see it right here. Now, if you would like to increase or decrease the size, you can simply pull along the box right there to edit it. And that's it when it comes on to creating a sign-up form using vertical response. Now, they also offer other features. So let's go back to the main dashboard. So for example, if I were to tap on surveys, you can use this platform to also create surveys by tapping on new survey. Then you will add survey name and you're going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to edit the fields of your survey. So at the moment, this is how my survey looks. Now I could tap on new question right here. After you have tapped on new question, you could simply type in the question. Then you can select the type of question and answer. So whether it is multiple choice, drop down, content field, or so on, you can select the options. You can also change the design settings by going over to the left-hand menu option. If you want the question to be required so that persons have to answer the question to move on, you could simply tap on require right there. So let's say, for example, what is your meal plan? Let's say that is the question. So I could type that in right there, then tap on save. And from there, you can add more questions if you want. And if I would like to edit it, I can tap on click to edit, as you can see right there. You can also tap on design settings in the top left hand corner. From there, you could choose the font style, font size. You can also change the font color. And if you would like to change the background, you could do that by tapping on background. You can also edit the footer section, and you can edit the border around it if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you could tap on preview at the top of the page to preview how it looks. So let's do that real quick. You can see it right here. Then you'll simply tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on publish. Once we have tapped on publish, you can see right here we now have a URL, as you can see right here. So we can copy the URL and you'll be able to share it on any social media platform you want, or whether you like to share it via email, you can also do that. So those are two of the main features when it comes on to vertical response. Now let me go back real quick and I'll show you how to use their segmentation. And by the way, you can also use vertical response to create a landing page. If you were to tap on create landing page in the top right hand corner, you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So you can choose any one of these templates to create a website, as you can see here. Let's say I would like to use this one. All I would have to do is simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you will be redirected to the edit page. You'll be able to make changes to the landing pages, as you can see right here by going over to the left hand menu option. You can choose to add different elements, whether it be text, image, button, or so on. All you'll need to do is scroll down and you can select whichever option you want. It is quite easy to edit. Once you're finished editing it, all you'll need to do is tap on next in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can enter a unique name right here. So I'll just name it yes. Then you're going to tap on submit. After you have done that, just give it a few seconds. Once it has been saved, you'll be able to copy the URL. As you can see right here, this is your URL for your landing page. And you can scroll down if you'd like to add keywords and so on, you can do that. Then you'll tap on publish for it to go live. But I won't be doing that now, so let me tap on exit right there to close out. So I'm going to go back to the home page. You can also use vertical response, as you could see there, to create pop-ups if you want. And as I was saying earlier, you can use it to create segmentation by tapping on create segmentation right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And also, if you'd like me to go in depth in any area on vertical response, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.